a trip on an adventure trip. And you know where you're going? Up there. Right through the ceiling, right up into the sky. What do you see? I'd like to have more participation. Don't be afraid to talk. You know, blue. This is very interactive here, right?
I see blue.
You see, I can't hear.
Blue.
You see blue. Now you're looking down. What do you see?
And white clouds.
Oh, you're right up above the clouds already. Oh, good. Stay there, will you? Just stay there for a minute before you go on going much further. But what do you see now? If there are no clouds, the clouds disappear. What do you see? Look down.
Ground and like stuff.
This house.
One?
No, you look. It kind of looks.
One house?
Like a map.
Looks like a map.
Yes. Yes. But now you're going further still. What do you see now? The whole of Canberra? The whole of
The whole
of Australia? Okay, now keep on going, faster and faster, because the further you get away, the faster you go. What do you see now?
World.
Ah, who said the world?
Me.
You should get a medal. You see the whole world, right? But now we're going further still. I need an adult here. One adult volunteer, could I have, please? One of the adults? No, one of the adults. You can step in. Adults.
Do you want to stand there?
Oh, well, good.
I'm a planner.
Would you come over here, please? I need your help. We are going now further and further until we see the world shrinking to that size. Now you're imagining, you're holding it here, yes? You're imagining you see the world, the whole planet Earth, you see as big as this. Question, how big is the moon? How big do you see the moon? Now you're far away in space. Here's the world. How big is the moon? Any idea? Huh? No?
Is the moon 1/20th of the Earth?
You see?
Is the moon 1/20th of the Earth?
The 20th of the Earth. That doesn't make much sense. How big is it? That big for football or a pinhead? Huh?
If say if you had a basketball and that was sort of the Earth, then the moon would be a peppercorn.
No, that was.
Yeah, well, you're getting much closer. Yes. You're getting much closer. Yeah, that's getting much closer. But I tell you what, the moon would be just about as big as this, right? There's the Earth, and there's the moon. Next question is, you can look at it from far away. You're far away in space with your mind. How far away from the Earth would it be? 10 centimeters, 10 kilometers, how far? You may be wrong, folks, because remember, mistakes and wrong answers tell you more than the right answers, right? You learn more from wrong answers. Keep that in mind. So, how far away? In civic? 10 centimeters, or what do you think?
Nice guess.
Huh? Yes?
10 millimeters?
10? If that was the case, the moon would look like a little star somewhere far away, you know, you couldn't see with the naked eye, you'd have to have a telescope at least. So, good attempt, but not quite right. Now, any other guesses here? Yes?
5 centimeters?
5 centimeters, so the moon would be here. Imagine if the sun is there and the moon here, you'd have a very funny day. Anyway, I've made my homework, you see. The moon, at this scale, would be somewhere around here. That far away. Now, next question. I'm on Earth. Well, you can have you hold the moon, will you? Hold it up. There. Now here I am at the Earth. And if sound could travel, I know this is impossible. We're only hypothetical, we're only imagining. If I shout, "Woo!" How long would it take to get to the moon? The speed of sound. How long? Yes? How long?
1 light year.
1 light year. No, we're not talking about light, we're talking about sound.
3 days.
10 days, very good, very good, very good. It is really 2 weeks, about 2 weeks the sound will travel from the Earth. But now I do something completely crazy, you know? I'm going to have a gun here, and here's the Earth.
You shoot some light.
I'm now going to shoot some light. Incidentally, if an aeroplane, say a 747, could travel, you know, without refueling, night and day, it would take even longer than the sound. It would take about, I don't know, 2.5 weeks, something like that. But now, I'm shooting a flash across from the Earth to the Moon, like this. Thank you. How long will it take?
5 days.
5 days.
Half a day.
Half a day?
3 hours.
3 hours.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Half an hour?
Half an hour.
1 minute.
Keep it going.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
3 minutes.
How?
3 minutes.
No. 1 second. 1 second. That is the famous speed of light. How far, or how long would how much time does it take for the light from the sun to the Earth?
Couple of days. 7 days. A week.
9 minutes. So you can imagine the distance to the moon, you know, as those people who visit the moon are well aware, it is quite a long, long way. And the light travels in 1 second. Now, something which no one can possibly imagine, no matter how clever they are, and they may be professors or whatever, that is distances in space. We cannot really imagine the distance from here to the moon. 1 light second. Astronomers talk in terms of light year. Now you have to translate this. 1 light second from here to the moon. If you imagine now to the sun it takes 9 minutes, imagine how far the distance is in 1 hour in space. Now multiply this by 7 and you say, no, by 24 and you say a whole day. The light travels for 1 whole day. How far would that be? But 1 day is only a day. You know, there are how many days in a year? I've forgotten.
300.
I was out of school for too long. Multiply it by, you know, 300, whatever it is. That is a light year. And astronomers talk in terms of millions and tens and hundreds of millions of light years. So if you want to get your mind boggled, go into astronomy.